You prefer pet cat that sleeps on your lap or your pet dog that licks your face constantly? Dogs show their love by licking, but cats are loyal too and very clean. You prefer hamster that runs on its wheel all night or the cat that wakes you up at 3 a.m.? Bugger, these cats are fiach psychos, they always do it. Better the guys running on wheels, we can generate current. You prefer to ride on an elephant that can fly or riding on a dragon that sneezes fire? You ask me, feel both are better. What's your... You prefer to swim with dolphin or rise up in sky to fly with eagles? Both are adventures given. We are safe while riding.